In quality management, compliance with your quality management system is crucial. But what about conformance? Does your QMS conform with international standards? Without this assurance, your compliance efforts might be directed at a flawed interpretation of the system. Compliance is based on trusted assumptions about the integrity of your system and practices. Conformance is based on knowledgeable auditors who warrant that those assumptions are correct. ISO 17021 is the guidance that auditors use to ensure that they are knowledgeable about QMS standards. With the help of ISO 17021, auditors can have the competence, consistency, and impartiality to certify a client's QMS. Think of conformance as a waterfall. Guidance flows from the ISO down to certification authorities, auditors, and companies. But if companies inadvertently skip their own conformance steps, they risk drying up the water and following a flawed system. QMS2Go helps solve this problem. Our AI's integrated conformance module checks your QMS against ISO 17021 guidance and provides immediate, impartial feedback, alerting you to non-conformances which may require an audit. With early warning, QMS2Go can save your company from costly errors and provide your team with valuable peace of mind. QMS2Go and ISO 17021, assuring effective compliance with AI-powered conformance.